because I know that life, even if it's not in particularly stressful, it can be hectic sometimes. So what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of set the tone as they say, because I need you to be calm. I need you to be calm. Can you do that for me? Good. Guys, it is your boy. It is your boy. Up at not one, not two, definitely not three, not four. Somebody else can take the 4, because I am not up at 4 a.m. Sorry. That's not me. That's not my name. My name is up at 5 a.m. Up at 5. No, I did it the wrong way. I don't even know if the videos are inverted, but we'll find out when I'm recording this. When I'm editing this, we'll find out. Up at 5 a.m. Up at 5 a.m. And honestly, this might be the longest intro in the whole world, but who cares? I say this all the time, but what's the rush? I want you guys to be really calm. Stay calm if you already was, and become calm if you weren't. I want you to be really calm. Stop what you're doing, sit back, relax. Actually, you know what? Some people watch ASMR at work. In that case, don't stop what you're doing, please. Don't. You gotta get your work done, but hey, increase your productivity. And energy goes up. Increase your productivity and energy. Actually, does ASMR increase energy? Hey, I don't know. It's different for everybody. God dang. Anyway, what was I even saying? Anyway, just enjoy these tingles. Yes, just relax. Okay, good. Hopefully that intro has made you really calm and ready for the video. What we have planned today. What we have planned. What we have planned. As I promised you guys. As I promised you guys. We are going to be doing soft spoken, but I figured for the intro of the video and for the way I like to open up my video, I'll do it one more time for you guys. The way I like to open up my video, it can't be done soft spoken, so I have to start with whisper, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm gonna do my intro one more time. yes, this is my new intro because I like it so much, and I hope you guys like it as well. Anyway, give me one moment. One moment, okay. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello. 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 And I like that intro because I just feel like it ticks all the boxes. It just ticks all the. Anywho, just ticks all the boxes. We're gonna edit that out anyway. Soft spoken, guys. We're doing soft spoken today. I really. Oh yeah, by the way, I need to just say one thing at a time, not two things at one. One thing at a time. Okay. We're doing soft spoken today. I really want to make a longer video, just because I'm feeling it. I have nothing to be doing at this time of the night. So why not? Why not? And when I so rudely interrupted myself, what I was trying to say was that I'm really trying to be doing more hand movements. I'm really trying to get those visual triggers stimulated, and apparently you guys love the light. Apparently, according to one person's comment, you guys like the light. Actually, no, several comments. Let me not lie. You know, I'm just doing anything with my hands. Anyway, yeah, soft spoken, and the other half of the video is going to be whispers. So, it's basically going to be like one video's worth of soft spoken, and then another video worth of whispers. Because I love whispers, man. I love whispers so much. I can't really say that I love soft spoken yet, because I've literally never done it. But today I'm going to love it. And I really want to do it. I'm looking forward. I'm really looking forward. Anyway, are you looking forward? Can you see the light? No, you can't. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Yes, I'm looking forward. You're looking forward. You can see the light. Because you're looking forward. Yes, are you looking forward? Yes, you are. You're looking forward. We are both looking forward. Anyway, let's get started, guys. So, that was a change. And now we've just switched. We've switched into soft spoken. Now this is where I'm going to really slow down. I'm going to slow down because I'm going to admit I was practicing soft spoken just for a little minute because I was having trouble finding the right balance. in between finding the right balance. I was trying to find the right balance in between, like that, getting that raspiness so you can actually hear that I'm speaking, but also soft enough so it's not overwhelming or too loud or makes you want to open your eyes if they're closed in absolute shock, because you're like, god damn, that caught me off guard. What I'm going to do, I have gloves, guys. So I'm going to ever so gently, I'm going to ever so gently put these bad boys on. In the meantime, I just want you to relax and listen. Relax and listen, relax and listen, relax and listen. Guys, I promise it's gonna be worth it. I promise. That's only one glove, so we gotta get the other one on. I'll try not to take as long as I just did, but hey, I'm just gonna rush it. Now tell me, guys, have you guys ever worn black gloves with loose ends? You know, the first thing I think of when I think of wearing black gloves is two things: either cooking, preparing food, cooking in a restaurant. Maybe you don't want the spices, the herbs, the juices, whatever it is, whatever. You don't want it to get on your hands, so you wear. What do you wear? You wear black gloves. And the second thing is when you're eating seafood. Maybe I'm tripping, maybe I just haven't worn enough black gloves in my lifetime. Maybe I just haven't gotten enough XP, but I've never seen black gloves with loose ends. Never seen black gloves. Sorry there, I've never seen black gloves with loose ends. So now that I have the gloves on, I don't actually know what I'm going to be doing. Joking. I'm going to be playing a little game with you guys. It's gonna be fun. It's going to be very, 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 very very fun. You're not going to expect this. Give me one second, okay? Just give me 1 moment. Guys, I don't want to see anybody in the comments once asking me where I got these from. I don't know. I found these in my house. They could have been in my house for years and I wouldn't have known. Random hazelnuts, you know. One could say that they actually would stick out. But I just found these in my house. Found these in my house. Found them. I found these in my house. I'm gonna play a little game with you. You ever seen those street gamblers? And they ask you which cup these would be under. I'm gonna play a very, very similar game. Hopefully it's not as rigged. Not as rigged. Hopefully it's not as rigged. Hopefully it's not as rigged. Anyway. Okay, let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. Okay. Let's say, for example, I have one hazelnut in my left hand and another in my right. Now let's say I put the hazelnut that is in my right hand into the hand on my left. So now is two hazelnuts in one hand. What I'm going to need you to do, I'm going to need you to tell me, just exclaim to me, tell me if it's in your head or out loud, to tell me which hand is the hazelnuts in. Which hand are both the hazelnuts in? Tell me which hand are both the hazelnuts in. Is it my left or my right? My left or my right? My left or my right? Tell me. Left or right? Tell me. Is it the left or the right? The answer is right. The answer is right. Now, if you guessed left hand, I'm sorry to say, I am so sorry to say, so sorry to say that you are unfortunately incorrect. Now, pay close attention. Pay very close attention. I'm going to give you one more go, one more chance. I'm going to give you one more chance to prove. I'm going to give you one more chance. I'm going to give you one more chance. 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 I'm going to give you one more chance. I'm going to give you one more chance. What we're going to do is exactly the same thing. I have one in my left hand and then one in my right hand. I'm going to put both of the hazelnuts in my right hand. In my right hand. Right hand. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So now I have two hazelnuts in one of my hand. Two hazelnuts. I have two hazelnuts in one of my hand. I have two, not one, two. I have two hazelnuts in one hand. Now, tell me whether it's in your head or out loud. Tell me which hand sit in. Is it the left hand, or is it the right hand? Tell me. The answer is in neither of my hands. Neither. If you guessed left, or if you guessed right. If you guessed left or right, I am sorry. I am so sorry. So sorry to inform you. So sorry to inform you. That is in neither my left or neither my right. Neither is in not my right hand, and it's not in my left neither. So, you guys owe me £100. You guys owe me £100. I am so sorry. I should have told you the stakes before the game began. So sorry. But they say, don't hate the player, don't hate the player, don't hate the player, don't hate the player, don't hate the player. Hate the game. 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 Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to switch it up a little bit. I'm going to bring out the bad boys. You guys thought that these were the bad boys. No. I'm going to really help you out here. As I was speaking with you, I noticed that your hair looks absolutely fabulous. You thought I was going to say something bad, wasn't you? No, I've noticed that your hair's beautiful. But it needs just a little bit of a snip. Just a little bit of a snip. No, it's not a big deal. Let's not make a big deal of it, okay? Let's not make a big deal. Okay? Let's not make a big deal, okay? Let's not make a big deal out of it. I just need to snip. I just need to snip. Now tell me, would you like a fringe? Or would you like curtains? Or tell me, would you like a bob cut? Would you like a bob cut? Would you like a bob cut? Tell me, would you like a bob cut? You let me know. Either way, you're gonna have to make a decision. I'm sorry. Because it's got to happen. Sorry about that. Sorry. Okay. Snip. We're gonna get right into it. I want you to close. Please close your eyes and try to relax as I give you a complete makeover. It's not as if you need it, but for today, you're gonna be getting a makeover. Okay, close your eyes and relax. Okay. Sorry, I just need to move your hair out of the way. Good. Give me 1 sec, let me just snip. Wait, I think there's still a little bit more. I just need to get that. Give me 1 sec. Snip. Okay. The front is good. Let me just get the back real quick. Snip. Okay, I've got the back right side. I'm gonna get the back left side, okay? Just give me 1 moment. Snip. decent. Alright, cool. Hopefully. You guys are relax. Hopefully you guys are relaxed. Because I will. Admit. This is all so new to me. Step. Okay. We're gonna keep that segment of the video a little bit short. As I'm not sure. I'm not exactly sure how would that turn out. Anyway. I just want to take a moment of time to say thank you to everyone. Thank you to everyone for showing your support. I absolutely love it. You're all very kind. And trust me, I read every single comment. I just wanted to let you know. So, literally all of the support that you guys have been showing me, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. And every time, trust me, every time I read your comments, there is not a moment that I am not smiling. There is not a moment where I am not smiling. So, thank you. What's up in my eyes? Thank you for making me smile. And I hope that I also make you smile. I also hope I make you smile. And also hope that I make you relaxed. I hope I help you to relax. I hope I keep you relaxed. I hope I help you to sleep. I hope I help you to sleep. I hope I help you to sleep. I'm still trying to venture into doing soft spoken. I already mentioned this at the start of the video. And I'm liking the mixture of doing what's the word? Whispers. Just like this. Whispers like that. Like that. In between the soft spoken, I think it adds a bit of variety. I definitely think it adds some variety, as they say. So, I don't really have a plan. But who needs a plan? Who needs a plan? Who needs a plan? I don't need a plan. What we're going to do is I'm going to bring out something very, very, very sensitive, I would say. I would definitely say this is sensitive. I don't know if you can see this. But. This is cleansing wipes. And guys, forgive me if I'm making a mistake here. That is very, very tingly. I feel like I'm showcasing a product that isn't even mine. I feel like I'm showcasing a product that isn't even mine. Oh, I need you to just relax, okay? Relax. Relax for me. Relax. Is this good? I'm not sure. Let me know. Please let me know. It says that this has 15 wipes. Only 15 wipes. But it also says it's antibacterial. For the next part of the video, I'm going to do one of my stronger suits. It would be mic cupping. Brushing. And scratching, but in order to do scratching, I need to take off this. So, give me one moment as I take this mic cover off. Un momento, por favor. Okay. Oh, you see, that's so sensitive, so sensitive. I gotta be back from the mic. Far, because it's just so sensitive. just makes sense. It just makes sense. It just makes sense. Just makes sense. Just makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Oh my goodness! What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? Oh my god! Guys! It is 4:30. That means I'll go to be up at 5 a.m. Up at 5 a.m. Joking. It is currently not 4:30. It's about 10:30, and I am recording this video early because on a Saturday I am actually working my part-time job. Yes. I am working on a Saturday. I'm not sure if this video will be out on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure when. But I just wanted to let you know that yeah, this is the earliest that I've obviously it's only the third video, but yes, so far this is taking first place as the earliest I've ever been up to make a video. It's absolutely insane. But the house is somewhat quiet. There's gonna be a lot of editing and trims in this video. 5 to 10, 5 to 10. Not 1, not 2, not 3, 4, 5, 2, 10, 5 to 10, 5 to 10 minutes of like mistakes, loud noises, loud noises, and bangs, and just things of that nature. So it happens. I don't want to edit. The thing is, I want to edit as little as possible. But some things can't be helped. But guys, I honestly hope that this video helped to relax you. I know this video isn't gonna be perfect. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm not worried about that. I'm not worried about that. Are you? I'm not. Are you? I'm not. Are you? I'm not worried. Anyway. I've got to go. Lo siento, my phone just, what's the word, it just went down to 20%, 20%, and every time that happens it messes with the, audio, so what happens is I have to stop. Oh my god. I am so clumsy today. I don't know what it is.